This is Africa. They are in hardship right now, kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. They need new soldiers to go to war. Who else must step up than the children? These are some things that happen to them.
Oh man, it's so hot out here. I wish we had some cooler places to hide out.
Yeah, me too. I hate having to turn in the hot sun.
Get back to work.
Okay, yes, sir. I mean,
Has been using children as soldiers because of multiple reasons. For one, they are much cheaper since they don't need support from family and wives.
Oh, shucks. I wish I had a wife. I want money.
Studies have shown that children tend to lack sense of fear as well, which is useful in war.
Come at me, I'll take ya.
They are also quite replaceable.
Oh, woe is me, I have fallen.
Oh. Oops.
Hello, I am the replacement. Oh no, I have been caught.
Hey, I'm the replacement.
And finally, children in wars have been proven to show just as dangerous as grown-ups.
Hey, get back here.
Never.
Sometimes kids are taken to be soldiers, but other times they volunteer. These are more rare, but they still happen.
I'm going to war. Goodbye, Mom and Dad.
Then I know!
maybe then our country will be served better. Bye, Billy. Love ya. I love you.
Rest in peace, Billy.
Welcome to the force, Billy.
But the moral to this video is that child soldiers are not okay. They are taken against their will, beaten, injured, and killed, both in and out of war.
If you want to help fight against child soldiers, you can support UNICEF or War Children by going to their websites and donating for the cause.
Don't forget to spread the word. Bye!
This message is supported by LAFCA.